We're creating 24 automations to have fun, wreak havoc on your spreadsheets, on your colleagues, your bosses, your friends, your family. We're going to increase the row height every day. Right now, go to extensions, app script. We have a number of automations already. Let's create a new function up here. Function increase row height. Need those curly brackets at the end. We have a bunch of other automations here. If you want them all, download them all, get them, copy and paste them. Go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. You can get it absolutely free. Go ahead. Coming back to increase row height, pretty simple. Variable ss equals spreadsheet app.get active. Spreadsheet get active sheet. Variable row height is going to be equal to ss.get row height. And we're just going to get the header row. And to set it or change it, ss.set row height, we're going to choose the same row, that header row, and just do row height +1. So that's it, Command S, but we want to automate this. We want to do this every single day. Let's double check that this is actually working. So we can go and see our header here as automations, run this increase row height, run, and let me do it a few times, just to see it is a little bit bigger. We can actually right click, resize row, it's 24, cancel. Let's run this a couple more times. Again, it's a very slow burn, this one. This one's going to really haunt someone over time. 26 now. See, so just adds one each and every day. But how do we do this every single day? Go over to the left side, click triggers. This is already in our app script. On the bottom right, add trigger. Choose which function to run, increase row height. We have a bunch of other automations already. Select event source time driven. Here we can do this every hour maybe, but that's going to add a lot of height. Maybe once a day. And we'll do this while someone's working, maybe around 2 to 3 when they're having their coffee and they're like, am I too tired? What happened to that row? Click save, and now we have a trigger that every single day will increase that row height one little bit. Very slow burn. If you want to edit that or delete that trigger, go to extensions app script. Over on the left, go to triggers. You'll see this line here. Click the pencil icon to edit it, or the 3 dots here to delete that trigger so that doesn't happen again. Whew! Thank you so much. Watch bettersheets.co/sheetfools over here. Get it, download it, get all of these sweet, sweet, fun automations in your Google Drive today.